Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 61. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. But we've got a 6 here, so 1, 6, and that makes this our 1. Oh, and this 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 9, but no other help. So 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing a 9. And now we can get rid of this 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. But that 8 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 8 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.